When I got into the home improvement business, one of the things that I wanted to put in place to really make me stand out in the marketplace was I wanted to bring a level of professionalism to home improvement that I hadn't experienced myself as a homeowner. What our customers can expect when we come in to start a remodel is on day right out of the gates, we're gonna come in, introduce ourselves, and make sure we're taking care of the home. We drop protective cloths all the way up from the entry point to the home, up to the bathroom, and then we're really gonna get in there and start to tear it out immediately. At the end of it, we kind of get out of the demo mode and the tear it out mode and really work on finishing elements that really put that nice fine touch on my customers' bathrooms so that they're really, really happy with the outcome at the end of the day. To provide a 5-star experience for our customers, the thing that we really try to focus on is setting expectations with our customers on what to expect through the process. My customers are busy, they've got a lot going on in their lives, so knowing that we're gonna show up at the time we say we will, on the day we say we will, is really important to them, and it's something that we try to do every day. We really take pride in what we do, and that's why we're the #1 rated bathroom installation company in Central Virginia.